Hi, good morning, students. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Gupta, and I am representing Abhinav Gupta classes. And I will be your teacher to help you understand, learn, and master the subject accountancy. We'll be starting with class 11th and 12th, and then cover the part of competitive entrance examinations. So, let me just help you understand how the university and the course program for the school and college examinations have been designed for your better learning and understanding. So students, it is very important to understand for you that now since you have come from class 10th, when you finished your class 10th, you are supposed to come to 11th class, which you normally call it plus 1 and then plus 2, right? So these two are covered by the board examinations. So many of the students would be under CBSE, ICSE and state boards. So we'll cover the syllabus entirely for all boards. We just need to understand how we will be designing the module structure, how our course is designed, and what kind of knowledge and to what level we need to understand the subject so that we have better hold of it and we are able to make good career in it. So let me just help you to understand first of all that with Abhinav Gupta classes, we will be headed as AGC, the class 11 and the class 12. We will have module A and then we will have module B. The A part and the B part, why we are doing this? Because this is the base. So you need to understand there are two heads in class 11 for under module A, and there are three heads in class 12. The module A talks about the entity, which you will obviously understand slowly with the help of the terminologies and the flow that we'll understand. But let me just help you to give you an overview of the whole syllabus. Here we will be covering the entity called sole proprietor firm, non-profit organization, and then in class 12 you have the partnership firm, and then you have company, and then you have the analysis part. So these are the 5 broader areas that we'll be covering in class 11th and 12th. So module class 11th is the core base that you will call. It's the base for class 12th, right? And to study this class 11th, majorly the first ed, we have almost 20 chapters in your book to understand the flow. So let me just help you to understand that how we would start the course program and then slowly move to class 12 and then for the college entrance examinations. So let me just help you to understand how this will move. So let us just try to understand the flow. So this is the module A. We'll have almost 17 chapters in class 11. The flow would be, first we will understand the introductory part of accounting as a subject, and then obviously the entities that I was talking about, then you will understand how they have been designed and being operated in across the world and at India level, and then we'll have the entity selection process. Obviously then we will have the terms, accounting concepts and conventions, AS, US GAAP, IFRS, and AS, business transactions related to an entity in an accounting period, accounting equation, rules of debit and credit. Then we'll follow the accounting structure and understand the complete flow of the transaction, and then we'll study the allied chapters or the reference chapters. The chapters would be depreciation, provisions and reserves, bills of exchange, rectification of errors and omissions, financial statements with adjustments, bank reconciliation statement, accounting from incomplete records or incomplete information, right? Then your class 12th would be there next year, which you need to understand that the class 11, or I would say the 17 chapters, are the base to understand the class 12th. If you are not good at those 17 chapters, you will be in a big mess to understand class 12, wherein this is how we would be operated: the accounting for partnership firm, and then the accounting for Companies Act, and then analysis part, wherein we have 6 chapters in running in partnership, 3 chapters running in company accounts, and with the help of 5 chapters you will be able to understand the flow and the analysis of all the business entities, right? And then obviously you have, as an extra edge and knowledge, you can study the taxation part, which we help you to understand the brief of taxation, which is indirect and direct taxation. Slowly we will get to know, and obtaining licenses from the various authorized government bodies, and the challans, and the application part with the ERPs, like you have Tele, Busy, QuickBook, MyOb, and other applications running across the globe. So this is very important to understand, that the flow of the subject is very important. So you cannot take it that class 11 is different and class 12 is different. Everything that you are going to study in class 11 has the complete understanding and requirement to solve the questions there in class 12. Okay, so we'll slowly start, and let me just help you with the other parts. So this is how we'll be moving ahead. Okay, thanks for